Hey, Coach Greg here at Sculpt Training, and today we'll be doing an upper body strength routine. That's right, we're gonna be working on our arms, our shoulders, our back, chest, all of it. It's gonna be awesome. You will need some dumbbells for this workout, so I'd go ahead and grab them now. You need a flat surface, and you and me, we're gonna have fun, so let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, can you just do me a favor and go ahead and click that button right now? It just helps us know that you are enjoying what you see, that we continue to put out these awesome workouts for you guys. So feel free to comment any questions or topics of videos that you'd like us to cover. It just, again, we are one big happy family here. We're a community, so we want to hear from you. And by you subscribing, it just keeps it in the know, you know? So let's get into the workout. We're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along. While that second and third set will be more of a complete run through of everything. It's gonna be fast, so don't worry. You're gonna be done before you even know it, and your arm's gonna be so toned, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Coach Greg. And I'm like, hey, no problem. Just click the subscribe button. All right, we are gonna start with our first exercise, which are arm circles. So you can keep the dumbbells to the side for now. Arm circles are just a great way to warm up your arms, your upper body. It warms up your chest, your back, your shoulders, all of it. So we're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock, and let's do some arm circles. I like to start small, and then go medium, then large. Just like this. Then go a little more medium, and then I go large. This is just a great way just to get the blood moving. And then I reverse it and go the other way. Starting off small. Feel the tension already loosening up from my shoulders and my back and my chest. Go medium. Let's go large, just like this. Flail your arms around. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Our second exercise, go ahead and grab your dumbbells. We are doing overhead presses. What I like to do is have a strong, stable base, feet a little past shoulder width apart, just like this. Slight bend of the knees, bring dumbbells up to your shoulders, and you can bring them out. And now what I like to do, we can do alternating, where you just do one at a time, or you can do both together, whatever you feel comfortable with. This is really gonna work out your shoulders. You're gonna feel it in your back a little bit as well. Make sure you are keeping your core tight, because that will also help with your stability. So we're gonna do 30 seconds, and here we go. We're gonna do one at a time. And the cool thing is, or not the cool thing, but you don't have to bring it all the way down. You only really need that 90-degree angle. And if you feel like any pinching or whatever in your shoulders, you can also bring your elbows in slightly. It gives you a little different angle, but it also works out shoulders just as well. So just like this. And also, because if you go down too much, you're gonna be pinching too much, and of your shoulders, and you don't need that. Range of motion is just 90 degrees, just like that. A couple more seconds. So one more each side, and done. Next, we are gonna go into the infamous bicep curl. This is a great exercise. I know a lot of my female friends and my clients as well, they're always like, well, I don't wanna, do a bunch of bicep exercises because I don't wanna have huge arms. Don't worry. Your arms is gonna be more toned. We're gonna get rid of some of that extra fat, that may be lying around there. But the goal is, all we're doing is bringing, you want our palm facing us, or facing up, I should say. And we're just bringing that dumbbell up. We really just wanna focus on squeezing that bicep. Now, what a lot of people like to do, especially if the weight is too heavy, they will just like bring it and rock like this. But what you notice is once your elbow is out of alignment, you're using more of your shoulder and you're no longer using your bicep. What I like to do is, especially if I'm only doing one at a time, is I take my hand and I put it right behind, above my elbow. So that way I know for a fact that when I do a curl, there's no rocking. I'm not engaging my shoulder. All the movement is coming just from the bicep. You see how stable the elbow is? The elbow isn't moving at all. Just like that. So if you feel like you're rocking a lot or doing whatever, then try that trick. But I now know how to do my elbows and not move them as much. So you can do one at a time like this, or you can do them together, whatever you feel comfortable with. We're gonna go ahead and put 30 seconds on the clock. All right, and here we go. The goal is really just to focus on that squeeze, the bicep. And again, the cool thing about things like bicep curls and all these type of arm exercises in upper body is as long as you are bracing your core, you're kind of working out your abs as well. So there you go. Couple more. Let's do one more each arm. And squeeze, and good job. Last but not least, we have the dumbbell tricep extension. This is a good one because we've just been, curling. We've been focusing on the bicep. Now we're gonna focus on the back of the arm. Triceps made of 3 muscles, tri, bicep, 2 muscles, bi, right? You're just gonna want to hold your dumbbell in your hand. I like to almost have it as if I'm trying to put it in my pocket, right? So I want my dumbbell right by my side, my arm back, almost like a 90-degree angle. I bend over slightly just so that I have more leverage. And I like to put my hand on my belly just to brace it. And all we're doing is focusing on extending out, and you're gonna feel that tricep tense up and then bring it right back, just like that. This is one variation of how to do it, just like that. So we're just gonna do 15 seconds one arm, 15 seconds to the next. If you wanna do both at the same time, feel free, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm just gonna break it down one by one, just for me, making sure that I'm, being intentional with my movements. So here we go. 30 seconds, 15 seconds each side, and extend. There it is. Try to keep that elbow or this part of the arm like stationary, and you only want the movement to be coming from the elbow, just like that. All right, let's switch sides. A couple more. And done. All right, that was your first set of this upper body strength routine. I already feel stronger. My muscles already feel good. I feel all the blood rush into them. I think you're gonna enjoy them. So now we're gonna do the second set and then the third set right after. Grab some water, shake your arms out. We're getting right into it. And here we go with our second set. 3, 2, 1, go. Arm circles. Dumbbell overhead press. Bicep curl. Dumbbell tricep extension.
All right, that was your second set. I feel good. My arms definitely feel tired, but I know we could do one more set. So let's finish strong with this third round. Grab some water real quick if you need. Shake out your arms. We're gonna start with those arm circles again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, begin. Dumbbell overhead press. Bicep curl. Dumbbell tricep extension. All right, there you have it. That was your upper body strength routine. I hope you liked it as much as I did. My arms feel pumped. I feel good. I hope you do too. And if you do, go ahead and just click the notification bell. Stay on top of any new workout videos dropping. We'd love to hear from you. So if you have any questions or any comments or any praises or concerns, whatever you have, feel free to drop the comments below. We will get back to you as soon as we can. Without further ado, I'm Coach Greg, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.